In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Word. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Word. This is the essential starting point for checking for updates. You will see the familiar interface with the document workspace in front of you. If you have recently used Word, it might even show you the last documents you worked on. This step is crucial because accessing the application is the gateway to ensuring it's up to date. Keeping your software current is important for security, functionality, and access to the latest features. Next, focus on the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the File tab. This action will take you to the Backstage view, where you can manage your Word settings. You will notice various options on the left side of the screen, such as New, Open, and Options. From here, you can navigate to Account Settings. Remember, this step is necessary because it directs you to the area where you can check for updates, ensuring your Word is functioning optimally. From there, select Account from the menu. This is where you will find information about your Word installation, including your subscription details and update options. On the right side of the screen, you will see the product information and some options related to updates. This is significant because it consolidates all necessary information regarding your Word software in one location. Once you are on this page, you are just a few steps away from checking for updates. Now look for the Update Options button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. You will see several options, but for now, focus on the Update Now option. This is an important step as it initiates the process of checking for updates. Selecting this option tells Word to start looking for any available updates that you may need. This small action helps keep your software secure and running smoothly, ensuring you have the best experience while using Word. Next up, wait while Word checks for and installs any available updates. During this time, you might see a progress bar or messages indicating that updates are being downloaded and installed. This could take a moment depending on your internet speed and the size of the updates. It's essential to allow this process to complete fully. By doing so, you ensure that all improvements and fixes are properly applied to your installation of Word. Once the updates are installed, you will likely see a confirmation message indicating that Word is up to date. This reassurance confirms that your software is now equipped with the latest features and security patches. It is important to check for updates regularly to maintain the integrity and performance of your applications. By following these steps, you ensure that you are maximizing your software's potential and enhancing your overall productivity. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to check for updates in Microsoft Word. Keeping your software updated is not just about new features. It also protects you from vulnerabilities, so make it a habit to check for updates regularly.